Hello friends and hello my students. Welcome you all again to my YouTube channel. I am Yograj Joshi from Baroda High School ONGC secondary section. Today's my subject is Sanskrit of Standard 9th English Medium, and today I will continue chapter number 8 Kashayanam Ko-Aprada. What is the fault of saffron clothes? Remaining paragraphs. So let's start learning. Kashayanam Ko-Aprada. What is the fault of the saffron clothes? So, students, we are learning chapter number 8, and we have seen in our last video that Mahatma Gandhi started Satyagraha movement to bring independence. Seeing his work, Swami Satyadev visited Sabarmati Ashram. He got impressed by the efforts of Gandhiji for Satyagraha movement, and he insisted Gandhiji that he want to join this movement. He want to help people and want to stay in Sabarmati Ashram for this purpose. Gandhiji agreed to Swami's request and says, "You can stay here in ashram. You can help us. This ashram is yours too. However, there is one condition. You have to abandon your saffron clothes if you want to stay here in ashram and help people." Listening this, Swami Satyadev got angry, but he did not express his anger in front of Gandhiji, and he said, "Why should I abandon the saffron clothes? What is the fault of saffron clothes? I am sannyasi. Sannyasis are wearing the saffron clothes. So why should I abandon the saffron clothes?" Having listened these words of Satyadev, Gandhiji said peacefully to Satyadev, "Whatever you said is true, but I did not mean to say that you abandon your sannyas. I am only saying to abandon your saffron clothes." Then Swami Satyadev, not knowing the intention behind the words of Gandhiji, Satyadev stood thinking, thoughtful, looking silent. So, in last video, we we were covered this last paragraph. Today we will now let's see the story further. Okay. So first I will read the paragraph, and after then I will discuss word to word meaning of and whole translation of line to line. Okay. So let's start. तस्य तादृशीं मनोदशाम् अवगम्य गान्धिमहोदयः स्वकीयम् आशयं स्पष्टं कर्तुं शान्तभावेन मृदुभाषया च सत्यदेवाय अकथयत्। "शृणोतु भवान् सावधानेन मनसा। वयम् अन्येषां सेवां कर्तुं प्रवृत्ताः स्मः। एतत् एव अस्माकं ध्येयम् अस्ति." Okay, let's see the first Sandhi words. Here, first Sandhi word is Swakiyam Ashayam, and we will listen this word. It becomes Swakiyam plus Ashayam, Swakiyam Ashayam. Next is Satyadevaya Kathayat, Satyadevaya Akathayat, Satyadevaya Kathayat. Okay, let's see the next Sandhi word. Etadeva Smakam, and we will listen this word. It becomes etat plus eva plus asmakam. Etat plus eva asmakam, etadeva asmakam. Okay, let's see the meaning of these words. Here first word is tasya. Tasya means his. Tasya means his. And if here is the feminine word, then tasya. Tasya. Okay, and tasya for use for masculine word. Tasya means his. Tadrushim manodasham avagamya. Tadrushim means like that. Manodasham, manaha dasha manodasham. Okay, manaha means mind, mental, mind, and dasha means mental condition. Manodasham Avagamya. Avagamya means having understood. Gandhi Mahodaya, Mahatma Gandhi, Swakiyam Ashayam Spashtam Kartum. Swakiyam Ashayam. Swakiyam is his own intention. Ashayam means intention. Spashtam Kartum, in order to make. Spashtam Kartum, in order to make. Shanta Bhavena. Shanta Bhavena means very peacefully. Mrudu Bhashaya means with soft voice. Mrudu means soft and voice Bhashaya means with soft voice. Cha means and Satyadevaya Kathayat said to Satyadeva. Okay, let's see the translation of this line. Gandhiji noticed this mental condition and in order to make his intention clear, he said very peacefully and with soft voice, Shrunotu Bhavan means listen to me carefully. We are engaged. Okay. Satyadevaya Akathayat means listen to me carefully. Shrunotu means listen. Bhavan means you. Savdhanena manasa. Savdhanena manasa means with attentive mind. Savdhanena manasa. So, इसका meaning Shrunotu Bhavan means listen to me carefully. Listen to me with attentive mind. Vayam means Anish. Vayam means we are. Anyesham. Anyesham means of others. Seva kartum. Sevam kartum means to serve others. So we are engaged. Sevam kartum pravutta smaha. Pravutta means engaged. So we are engaged to serve others. Okay. So listen to me carefully. We are engaged to serve others. Etad eva asmakam. Etad means this. Asmakam is our. Dhyayam. Dhyayam means aim. Asti. Dhyayam means aim and asti means is. So, we are engaged to serve others. This is our aim. Okay, let's see the next line. भवान् जानात्येव यत् अस्माकं देशे भवान् जानाति प्लस एव जानात्येव यत् अस्माकं देशे जनाः काषायवस्त्रधारिणं काषायवस्त्रधारिणः सन्यासिनः सेवां कर्तुं सदैव समुत्सुकाः भवन्ति यदा भवान् सेवाकार्याय प्रवृत्तः भविष्यति तदा काषायवस्त्रधारिणं भवन्तं दृष्ट्वा एकतः ते भवतः सेवा कार्यं न अंगीकरिष्यन्ति. Okay, let's see the sandhi word. Here, first sandhi word is janatyeva. Janati plus eva janatyeva. Okay, next is yadasmakam, and we will use this word. It becomes yad plus asmakam yadasmakam. Bhavan janati eva janati and yadasmakam. Okay. Yat asmakam. Let's see the word of meaning of words. Bhavan. Bhavan means you. Okay. Janati eva. Janati eva means well aware. You well aware. Yat asmakam dese. Yat means that. Janati eva means you know very well. Yat asmakam deshe. Yat means that. Asmakam deshe. Yat asmakam deshe. Okay, asmakam is our and deshe. So here deshe means in the country. Okay, so here a is the suffix of saptami vibhakti jana. Okay, saptami vibhakti singular deshe like rame, and so in is the suffix English suffix of saptami vibhakti in on above is the this all suffixes of Saptami Vibhakti. So Deshe means in the country. So main word is Desha and Deshe is the Saptami Vibhakti. Saptami Shabda hai. Okay. Let's see the next word. Janaha. Janaha means people. काषाय वस्त्रधारिणः काषाय वस्त्रधारिणः सन्यासिनः काषाय वस्त्रधारिणः सन्यासिनः means sannyasi who wearing saffron clothes. Kashaya vastradharina means who wearing saffron clothes is sannyasi. Wearing saffron clothes. Sevam kartum to serve. To serve. Sadaiva means always. Samutsukaha bhavanti. Samutsukaha means very eager. Bhavanti means are. So you know very well in our country. So people are always eager to serve sannyasis who wearing saffron clothes. Okay, so you are well aware that in our country people are very eager to serve sannyasis who wearing saffron clothes. Okay, let's see the next line. Yada. Yada means when. Bhavan. Bhavan means you. You know. Okay. Bhavan. Seva karyaya pravuttah. Seva karyaya is for the work. Seva karyaya. Okay. Means for the work. Pravuttah bhavishyati. Will engage. When you will engage for the work. Okay. In freedom movement when you will engage in freedom movement for the world. Tada means then. Kashaya vastradharinam. Kashaya vastradharinam. Bhavantam drashtva. Kashaya vastradharinam means wearing saffron clothes. Bhavantam means to you. Bhavantam means to you. Drushtva means having seen. Twa is the suffix of Sambandhak Bhutkrudant. Twa, Khaditva, Pitva, Gatva, Patitva. Okay? Means Patitva means having reading. Having read. Okay? Khaditva having eat. Pitva having drink. Okay? So Drushtva means having seen. Bhavantam ekatah te means they are. They means they are. They all. Saha means he. To means they both. And te means they all. Saha to te. Okay. Third person plural. Third person plural. Okay. So people are very eager to serve who wearing saffron clothes. Sannyasi to you. Okay. काषाय वस्त्रधारिणां भवन्तं दृष्ट्वा काषाय वस्त्रधारिणां means wearing saffron clothes भवन्तं to you दृष्ट्वा means having seen they are भवतः means your सेवा कार्यम means your efforts न अंगीकरिष्यन्ति will not accept it okay will not accept it okay when you are engaged in work with saffron clothes people will not accept it and accept it okay so people are not accept your work not your efforts okay let's see the next paragraph अपरतः ते यहाँ तक हमने देख लिया लास्ट में सेवा कार्य न अंगीकरिष्यन्ति ओके दे विल not accept your work अपरः ते अपरतः अपरतः ते भवतः सेवाकार्यं सेवां कर्तुं प्रवृत्ताः भविष्यन्ति अनेन किम् अस्माकं ध्येयस्य हानि न भविष्यति संन्यासस्तु मनोगतः संकल्प एव तस्य परिधानेन सह सम्बन्धः कयापि दृष्ट्या न योग्यः अहं निश्चितं मन्ये यत् काषायवस्त्राणां त्यागेन संन्यासत्यागः नैव भविष्यति अतः विचार्यतु भवान् तदनन्तरं यद् योग्यं तत् करोतु okay let's see the words aparatah aparatah means rather aparatah means rather they means they are they all sevam kartum pravruttah bhavishyanti so bhavatah means your to you sevam kartum to serve, to serve you, to serve you. Pravruttaha bhavishyanti means will ready. Okay, so people are rather they will provide their service to you. Okay, pravruttaha bhavishyanti. Anena means anena kim asmakam. Anena means by this. Kim asmakam. Kim means what? Asmakam means our, and dhyayasya of damage of aim. So, okay, kim asmakam dhyayasya hani na bhavishyati. Hani means damage. Na bhavishyati means will not. Okay, so the translation देखो इसका. Will this not effort, so will this not damage our aim? Sanyasastu, sanyasaha tu. So this word is also sandhi word, and we will use this word. It becomes sanyasaha tu. Okay, tu means really. Sanyasaha tu. Sanyas is sanyasaha. Manogatah sankalpa eva. Manogatah means mental determination. Manogatah means sannyasa is mental determination. Manogata sankalpa eva. So manogata sankalpa eva. So sannyas is the mental determination. Tasya paridhanena saha. Tasya means its. Paridhanena saha with clothes, with attire. Saha means with. Saha means with. Okay. Paridhanena with clothes. With clothes. Kayapi drishtya sambandha. Sambandha means relation. Kayapi drishtya means in any way. Kayapi drishtya means in any way. Na yogya is not proper. Okay, is not proper, not relation. So let's see the translation of this line. Okay, संन्यासस्तु मनोगत संकल्प. यहाँ से देखेंगे संन्यास is the mental determination. Sannyas, it has no relation with saffron clothes. It has no relation with saffron clothes. अहम निश्चितं मन्ये यत् काषाय वस्त्राणां त्यागेन अहम निश्चितं मन्ये means I strongly believe that. Aham means I. Nishchitam means strongly. Manye means believed that. Yat means that. I strongly believe that Kashai Vastranam Tyagena. Kashai Vastranam Tyagena संन्यास त्यागः नैव भविष्यति. संन्यास त्यागः नैव भविष्यति. So काषाय वस्त्राणां त्यागेन. Okay, by the abandoning saffron clothes. काषाय वस्त्राणां त्यागेन means of saffron clothes. त्यागेन by abandoning of saffron clothes. Okay, संन्यास त्यागः end of sannyas. Naiva bhavishyati will not. Okay, will not. So I strongly believe that sannyas will not come to end by abandoning saffron clothes. Atah vicharayatu. Atah means so that vicharayatu means think over it. Bhavan means you. Tadanantaram means after then. Yat yogyam tat karotu. Yat yogyam, whatever you feel proper, tat karotu, do that. Tat karotu, that means that, and do. Karotu means do. Okay, so think over it, and then whatever you feel proper. Okay, let's see the last paragraph of this chapter. गान्धीमहोदयस्य एतादृशं वचनं श्रुत्वा गान्धीमहोदयस्य एतादृशं वचनं श्रुत्वा स्वामी सत्यदेवस्य संशयः तस्मिन् एव क्षणे व्यपगतः। सः सः काषायवस्त्राणां त्यागं कृत्वा सेवाकार्ये आत्मानं योजयितुं सन्नद्धो अभवत् सन्नद्धः अभवत्। Let's see the first Sandhi words. Here first is tasmin eva, and we will listen this word. It becomes tasmin plus eva tasmin eva. Okay. Next is sannadho abhavat, and we will listen this word. It becomes sannadha abhavat sannadho abhavat. Okay. Gandhi Mahodayasya means of Gandhiji. Etadrusham like that. Gandhi Mahodayasya means of Gandhiji. Etadrusham. Etadrusham means like that. Vachanam Shrutva. Having listened the words of Gandhiji. Having listened words of Gandhiji like that. Vachanam Shrutva. Shrutva. Vachanam Shrutva. Tva is the Sambandhak Bhutkrudant. ओके सो जहां पे भी त्वा ऐसा प्रत्यय आता है तो वहां पे आपको समझना है वहां पे संबंधक भूत कृदंत है। वचनम श्रुत्वा मींस हैविंग लिसन। वचनम श्रुत्वा मींस हैविंग लिसन। स्वामी सत्यदेवस्य संशयः ओके डाउट डाउट मींस संशय of Satyadeva. Swami Satyadevasya. Sya is the suffix of Sashti Vibhakti and of is the suffix of English suffix of Sashti Vibhakti. So Swami Satyadevasya means Sanshayah means doubt of Satyadeva. Tasmin eva kshane at that time. At that time. Kshane. Kshane means time. Vyapagataha. Vyapagata means got clear. Okay. So translation is yes I am. Having listened the words of Gandhiji, Swami Satyadev's all the doubts got clear. Okay. So listening the words of Gandhiji, Swami Satyadev's doubts was removed instantly. Tasmin eva kshane means instantly. सह means he काषाय वस्त्राणां त्यागं कृत्वा काषाय वस्त्राणां त्यागं कृत्वा काषाय वस्त्राणां means of saffron clothes त्यागं कृत्वा means to abandon the saffron clothes okay to abandon the saffron clothes सेवा कार्ये in freedom movement atmanam atmanam means himself सन्नद्धः अभवत् योजयितुं सन्नद्धः अभवत् ready to get ready to himself okay in freedom movement okay let's see the translation of this line so uh, he abandoned the saffron clothes and to engage himself in social service social working okay himself to work in freedom movement okay now clear so here our chapter number 8 is completed in next video we will discuss the exercise of this chapter thank you students